African community on Wednesday commemorated 22 years since the regional bloc was revived on 30th November 1999 by 3 member states, Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda. Over 2 decades later, the community now has 7 partner states and spans from the Indian Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean, with an East African community passport for her citizens, which was introduced as a travel document to ease border crossing for East Africans. Now, the EAC Secretary General Peter Mathuki says the regional bloc will soon roll out a single currency which will strengthen the various economies. Mathuki said this when elaborating the hits and misses.
30th of November is the day when the treaty establishing the East African community was signed by all the heads of states. And we are happy because the community started with 3 partner states, United Republic of Tanzania, Kenya and Uganda. Today we have 7 partner states, and therefore the community is growing. And that is why we should be proud. It is people driven, because it is the people from all parts of East Africa who are demanding for this. So the community is expanding. And very soon, you are going to see admission of Somalia into this community, and possibly other partner states come into this, so that you have a bigger bloc that is strong, that can negotiate with the rest of the world for the good of the people of East Africa.
The national government is collaborating with the county governments of Kakamega and Vihiga to erect an electrical fence